Welcome to Micron America, your trusted leader in fastener solutions and machinery. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to operate the Micron PL-10 pneumatic plastic and metal fastener attaching machine. It has a portable pneumatic press design on casters, making it easy to move and use for large materials, and is designed for plastic grommets, small metal grommets, snaps, buttons, and rivets. Its floor-level operation makes it especially useful for heavy banners, tarps, and other large materials. The machine comes fully assembled, and the wheel casters can be installed separately. Compatible dies and grommet sets can be added depending on your application. To begin, turn off the air pressure using the valve located on the upper backside of the machine. Pull down the hand safety guard and screw in the upper die. Lift up the hand safety guard and insert the lower die. To keep it securely in place, tighten the screw on the right side as shown. Now, turn on the air pressure. Use the pressure regulator knob to adjust the air pressure as needed. To install the grommet, first place one grommet onto the upper die. Then, place one washer onto the lower die with the curved side facing upward. There are two ways to complete the application: using the foot pedal or pressing the button located on top of the machine. Place your material in between the upper and lower dies. The machine applies consistent pneumatic pressure to securely attach the grommet to the material. After each application, check that the grommet is properly set and firmly attached. If needed, adjust the air pressure accordingly. For any inquiries or general questions, please contact us at info@micronamerica.com or call us at 973-278-4100. You can also visit our website at micronamerica.com for more information and follow us on social media at Micron America Co. All of our products are manufactured in Europe and are CE and ISO certified. Micron America. Quality is our priority.